Hello, my dears, welcome back. Are you going on safe and healthy? Okay, good. Are you ready for our English class? Okay, let's start. Do you remember what did we learn in the last class? Yes, the story of Rikki Tikki Tavi. Very good. Before going to the rest of the story, I will ask some questions from the previous portions. Are you ready? Okay, listen to me. Here is the first question. Who are the main characters in the story? Who will say the answer? Yes, very good. Teddy the boy and Rikki Tikki Tavi the mongoose. Okay, then listen to the second question. What did Teddy see in the garden? Yes, you are correct. Teddy saw a mongoose lying wet and still on the grass. Okay, listen to the next question. How did Teddy's father treat the mongoose? Who will say the answer? Yes, you are correct. Teddy's father wrapped him up in an old woolen muffler and placed him near the fire. Okay, listen to the next question. What did Rikki see in the garden? Yes, you are correct. Rikki saw Nag the big cobra and his wife Nagina. Okay, let's move on to the rest of the story. Listen to me, I'll read it. Students, now you take your text, page number 162. Nag also knew that a mongoose in the garden meant death for him and his family. He was a full-grown snake and measured 5 feet from the tip of his tongue to the end of his tail. Rikki Tikki was still a baby. He told himself, I won't fight Nag and Nagina when they are together. So he jumped up high in the air and ran away. Okay, my dears, did you get the idea of the passage? Oh, you don't worry, I'll give the detailed explanation. Rikki was a small baby mongoose, right? Okay, although he was young, he knew that the main aim of a mongoose's life is to fight and kill snakes. Like that, Nag also knew that if there is a mongoose in the garden, it means the death of his family and him. Nag was a full-grown snake with 5 feet, but Rikki was a small mongoose. So, Rikki took a decision that he will not fight against Nag and Nagina when they are together. So, Rikki jumped up high and ran away. Okay, my dears, listen to the next passage. I'll read it. It was night. Teddy carried Rikki to bed. As soon as the boy was asleep, Rikki went off for his nightly walk round the house. Suddenly, the silence was disturbed by a faint noise. It came from the bathroom of Teddy's parents. Listen to the detailed explanation. We know every day Rikki is sleeping with Teddy. When Teddy was asleep, Rikki went out for his daily night walking. Suddenly, he heard a faint noise. What do you mean by faint? Faint means very soft. Okay? Then Rikki searched everywhere to find out the source of that sound. At that time, then he realized that the sound came from the bathroom of Teddy's father. Okay, my dears, listen to the next passages. Rikki Tikki quickly entered the bathroom. He could hear Nag and Nagina talking on the other side of the bathroom drain. Nagina told her husband, bite and kill all 3 people in the house. The mongoose will go away When there is no one left in the house, we will then have the garden to ourselves. Okay, my dears, listen to me. Let's see what was their conversation. Okay. When Ricky entered in the bathroom, he heard talking sound of Nag and Nagina. At that time, Nagina told her husband that we must bite and kill all 3 people in this house. When the mongoose go away, there is no one left in the house. Then this garden will be ours. Okay, dear students, listen to the next passages. Then Rikki Tikki saw Nag slithering into the bathroom through the drain. Although Rikki Tikki was very angry, he was also a little scared. Nag was so big and poisonous. Nag waited for Teddy's father to come to the bathroom. He knew he would come at midnight. So he coiled himself up till he looked like a long rope arranged in the shape of a circle. Then Nag went to sleep. Rikki Tikki hid behind the door and watched Nag. Dear students, please listen to the detailed explanation. Okay, my dears, what was Nagina's plan? Yes, very good. To bite and kill all the people in that family. Then the mongoose will go away. At that time, they can own the garden. Okay. Then Rikki saw the Nag slithering into the bathroom through the drain. What do you mean by slithering? Yes, it means to crawl. Although Rikki was very angry and he was also a little scared because the Nag was so big and poisonous. To kill Teddy's father, Nag was waiting at the bathroom. He knew that he would come at midnight. So he arranged his body in the shape of a coil. What do you mean by coil? Yes, to arrange the body in the shape of a coil. Okay, and it will feel like long rope arranged in the shape of circle. When the Nag slept, Rikki hid behind the door and watched Nag. Here, hid is the past tense of hide. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Now is the time to wind up the class. We will meet in the next class with the rest of the story. Children, take care and stay safe. Thank you.